Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Then it comes a very great topic. The chapter is actually based on this topic only. Unity in diversity. Always a debate has been organized, a discussion has been there. We can say that a topic has been given to write a paragraph on that, about 10 lines on that. Unity in diversity in India, how it has been practiced. You have to mention, you have to write or to express your ideas or view in 10 lines. So this way, what it says that diversity in India has been considered as a source of its strength. Till now, we have discussed that the several points, right from the family structure, language, religion, region, climatic conditions, regional differences, so many that the points we have discussed. But still, we are living together. So, this is the strength of our country. One is not recognized as that, suppose that about myself, that I am from particular state. It is not like that. I am an Indian. So it is why it is so. So why this the diversity is considered as a strength of our country? Because of the underlying spirit of unity among Indians that makes this vast country into one unit. Means that giving equal respect to all the citizens, whether they are in the northern part, the southern part, western or eastern. We all are equal. Hardly matters. There is no matter, no consideration about that. Which language I am speaking and which language the others are speaking. Some of the languages are constitutionally recognized, but other than that also, as a dialect, it can be. So many diversities already stated we have just now discussed, and from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat, India is one. All the 28 states and the 8 union territories, including Delhi as a national capital territory, we all are one. There is no difference. So this way we can say that unity in diversity in India, and this diversity is the strength of our country. No one can divide the country on the basis of the religion, the differences in religion, differences in region. We cannot divide, we cannot differentiate, because all the Indians, they are, whosoever lives in the Indian territorial boundary, they are considered as Indian. Then next we are coming to discuss with that what it is there is the geographical unity, political unity, cultural unity, and the religious unity. This is the fourth one is the religious unity. How it gives the strength, or we can say that how it binds the country together. This is the first one we are coming to discuss with that, the geographical unity. In ancient times, India was a single geographical unit. In ancient religious literature, what it has been written? It has been given that the entire country has been mentioned under one name, that is Bharatvarsh. What it was said that? The Bharatvarsh. Then it is isolated from the countries by its natural boundaries. This shows that India has been considered as a single country since the ancient times. This is not a new phenomenon. Since the ancient times, this country is considered as a single unit. Then coming to discuss with that, the political unity. What type of that, the system of governance, how we are administered. Politically, India has been considered one unit after the independence in 1947. So, what it says that India has been governed by the same laws and the constitution till today. Till today, we have only one government, which is known as the central government throughout the country, and we have only one constitution, and that constitution is throughout the country. Political unity has become more effective and stronger than before. Before that means that before the independence. After the independence, we follow that whatever the rules are been mentioned in the constitution, accordingly the country is ruled or governed by the leaders. Then third one, it comes about that the cultural unity or the culture unity, how it is been there. Different cultures and traditions. In the beginning part already we have discussed about that. This is the people celebrate different festivals, that is Diwali, Durga Puja, Christmas, etc. We respect each other's culture and the traditions, and that way we are united as a one. With the full enthusiasm, we are celebrating Diwali, and in the same manner we are celebrating Christmas. Harvest festivals are also been there, which has been celebrated in our country in different parts of our, in different parts. Just now, we have discussed about the Vaisakhi in Punjab. That is after the harvesting of the Rabi crops, which is basically the wheat. They celebrate this Vaisakhi festival. Bihu in Assam, Pongal in South India. So this way, not only that the Punjab is celebrating, but the different states have their the different culture. And according to that culture, they are celebrating these festivals. Then the last one, which comes under the religious unity, which is very important. What it says that the several religious sects are in India. Already in the intro also we have discussed about that. Most of the major religions are practiced in our country. If we start counting, number one, it comes about that Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Islam, Sikhism, Christianity, Zoroastrianism. So there are 7. This is the counted one. More than that also it may be practiced by the people. But these are considered as the major religion practiced in our country by the different groups of the people. In spite of this diversity, there is a religious unity also. Different religions such as Islam, Sikhism, Hinduism, Zoroastrianism have flourished in India since the ages. These are not the new one, not newly practiced. Somewhere in BCE, before the Common Era. All these have been started practicing in our country. So, why after the independence, our constitution makers, they were writing the constitution for India, they have declared India as a secular country. As a secular country. So, we do not have any official religion. Our constitution does not give any of the particular religion as a national religion or status of the state religion. Every religion or the group of the people, religious people, they have the equal status. Equal respect is been given to all the religious people. So, what it is that While this constitution makers, they were writing the constitution, which is, and one of the most important part of our constitution is about the fundamental rights. In that fundamental rights also, right to freedom of religion is been granted to the citizens. There are 6 fundamental rights. And out of these 6 fundamental rights, one right is written like that, right to freedom of religion. So the citizens are given this right to worship. Freedom of worship is granted under this fundamental rights. There is no state religion. People are bound by a common bond despite prejudices and discrimination based on language, color, and race. So this way, all they are considered equal. So this diversity is also been found by giving the facility of the right to freedom of religion.